Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for eastern Perry County in central Arkansas, northwestern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, northwestern Saline County in central Arkansas, north-central Garland County in central Arkansas, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a tornado with a history of widespread damage. This tornado was located 3 miles west of Jesseville, or 12 miles northeast of Lake Washita. Doppler radar showed a severe storm moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this tornado include Perryville, Williams Junction, Perry, Long Mountain, Little Italy, Lake Winona, Lake Sylvia, Jesseville, Houston, Harris Break, Y Mountain, Y, Thornburg, Reform, Hamilton, Cherry Hill, Bigelow, Antioch, Turpete. This storm has a history of producing damage west of Royal and Garland County. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash